So Johannes, why is Hannover Messe such an important event for SAP?
Yeah, so obviously, SAP is focusing on our cloud solutions within the ERP area, but also now branching out to supply chain, having an end-to-end view. And that's the reason why the Hannover Fair, that's our biggest event for the supply chain area. So this is really something where we're proud of. We have, the many showcases where we can show our customers, with our partners and with our SAP experts, what we can offer them in terms of supply chain innovations in relation to our ERP solutions, SAP S/4HANA Cloud.
Okay, so can you tell us more about SAP's theme for this year's event? Bring out new manufacturing excellence.
Yes, Jennifer, we thought about the theme quite in detail. So what can be a nice and catchy theme? So we realized in nowadays economy, besides manufacturing, also logistics, warehouse, planning parts, everything becomes much more important. And looking into the manufacturing side specifically, this can really be a game changer for many companies in a certain industries. So when they focus on a better manufacturing side with transportation management, with the warehouse and with the planning side and also product definition side, then can actually gain a much stronger advantage in their industry. So let me give you an example. So for instance, right now we talk about automation, about efficiency. Yeah, but that's not everything. So we could also talk now about artificial intelligence or SAP Business AI, where we cannot just define new data sets and make something more better. We really look into the details to streamline and also make better predictions and supporting our employees or the employees' company to make things more efficiently and also more better. And that's the reason why the theme is really important for us this year. And besides that one, obviously sustainability became much more prominent too.
Thank you.